it's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another banger. Friday night, we got Garcia in the house. Say everybody.
Garcia.
Trust the skills one more time.
Oh, wait, what? Do that again? Do that again? Do a little kick again.
I'm not a kicker, but okay. Out here putting $1,000 of gas in Infinity. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Since this, what's going on? No. Since the gas is expensive right now, we gotta make sure that we get the last drop. Wait, yank it up, pull it up. Yeah, wait, right there's where the gas is getting stuck right there, so you're not getting your full money. There you go. Okay, and then you have to make sure before you pull it out that no drop falls. You see? That's how you're cheap. You go through the crowd, guys. You gotta just join it. Look, you gotta join it. Oh, look. Okay, I like this. He always knows how to get down. I love the way he swings. Look how smooth he does it. Look how smooth that does. I'll just pull up right now, so we're going to the next location right now. That Mustang, whoo, I love that Mustang right now. Everybody's dipping right now. So everybody's dipping. Our right, left, so we're gonna hide right here in the dark in the park until he comes.
We're gonna go play at the swings.
We're gonna go play with we're gonna go see if we can find Bloody Mary over here. Damn. So he just, I guess, was parking and just crashed. But it's just the radiator, so nothing too big.
Let pass. Oh, we're good.
Damn, the cop's kicking hot. Hey, how far is the next spot?
6 weeks, 2 months.
Stupid, it's 14 minutes.
Oh, dude, I'm just gonna walk it. We got the security going to the spot right here. Look at him. God damn. We pulled up to the 5th location, and on our way here, we heard a bird or a cat, and we ended up finding the source of it.
A bird or a cat foot?
Because he saw it. She said it. Let me see him.
Look at its eyes.
Oh, she has color eyes. So he was crying his ass off, and as soon as she picked him up, he stopped crying. Oh, he's like, yeah, vlog.
Famous now.
Whose pooty cat is this? Oh, what the fuck? All of that would have ended up bad. All that, what the fuck? It was all quiet, and out of nowhere, she just started happening. At a good spot with good lighting right now. liquor stores out here enjoying themselves. I like that. Got one cop like 6 miles away. We're good. I'm really enjoying this, but it's cracking. We got cops over here, cops over there. We got the liquor store owner right here. We got 1, 2, 3 cops over there. We got the owner to the kitty cat. Farewell, Blackie. Have a good one. Have a good life.
Caucasian.
Have a yeah, he's Caucasian, so make sure you feed him right. Mustang's loud. We got one cop pulling up right now. Make room for the Mustang. Oh, he's going in reverse. Baby, keep up.
Oh, shoot though.
Reverse?
Yeah, look. Oh, look, watch him. He's gonna do the turn watch.
Oh, is he?
Well, yeah, look.
Oh, damn. So we're on our way to the next location. There's a volcano right there. It's my eggplant right there when I come. Got the cops pulling up in the back right now.
Yeah,
Who the fuck drives this BMW? Spider-Man? God damn.
he's about to whip you.
Spider-Man, suck my.